if this is your first time creating an account of Jio Hotstar. In today's video, let me show you the way that you can activate your Jio Hotstar with an OTP. Welcome back to a new video on Howgenic everyone. Whenever you create an account of Jio Hotstar, you'll need to add in your phone number. Once you provide your phone number, an OTP will be sent to it. So whenever you open up the app of Jio Hotstar, and if you don't yet have an account that you activated, is you simply head over to the profile section on the bottom right and then tap on the login button. This way you'll get a section where you can type in your phone number. Make sure your phone number is accurate so that you can receive an OTP. Type in the phone number and then tap on continue. In the next step, you'll see a similar screen to this where you just need to type in the OTP that has been sent. It's going to be a 4-digit OTP. Just type it in and then tap on continue. This way your account of Jio Hotstar will be activated and you will be immediately logged in. So that's basically it on the way that you activate the Jio Hotstar app using OTP. If you found this video to be helpful, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.